Can you delete recently played on Spotify? Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of TechTube, and the topic of today's video is it possible to delete or can you delete your recently played songs on Spotify? So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Now the simple answer to this is no. Any of your recently played songs would be visible on the home screen in this section, or if you tap on the timer icon on the top, you can see these are all of your recently played songs. And as you can see, there is no option of removing them. But however, I'm going to show you a different way that other people visiting your profile won't be able to see the songs that you're listening to. By default, if you have friends or followers on your Spotify, anyone visiting your profile would be able to see the songs that you're listening to. So to remove that and to avoid that, you can tap on the settings icon on the top right, and if you scroll down from here, under socials, you'll see a section of private session, and it says temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. So you can just toggle this on, and now whenever you listen to any song, those songs won't be recorded and would not be added to your recently played songs on Spotify. So that is the only thing that you can do if you're trying to hide your played songs or your listening activity on your Spotify account. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.